Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to quickly show you how to change the ringtone on your iPhone. First things first, let's open up the Settings app. Once you're in, scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptics, and tap on it. Now, scroll down a little bit further. You'll see a section with all the different tones and alert sounds you can customize. For this video, we're going to focus on the ringtone option at the very top, so go ahead and select that. By default, your ringtone is probably set to reflection. But if you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of other preloaded options. Keep scrolling all the way to the bottom and you'll find a classic section. Tap on that, and you'll get even more options to choose from. For this example, I'm going to select Radial. Just tap on the ringtone you want, and it will automatically select it and play a little preview so you can hear what it sounds like. Now if you want to create your own custom ringtone for your iPhone, I've linked a helpful guide in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Okay, so now that we've selected our ringtone, we can just go back to the main settings screen, go ahead and start using our iPhone as usual. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.